If you want to add extra information to your trip page, like a packing list, visa requirements, or any other details your travelers need to know, that's exactly what the Custom Tabs feature in WP Travel Engine lets you do. And in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create new tabs like More Info and Visa Details from the global settings, and then add the actual content inside your trip. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine, then click on Settings. Once inside Settings, under General, open Trip Settings. This is where all your tabs are managed globally. Here, you'll see a list of all the tabs that currently exist on your trip pages. Things like Overview, Itinerary, Cost, Dates, FAQs, Map, and any others that are already set up. Before we add anything, let me point out a few important things. On the right side of each tab, you'll see a toggle. You can use this to show or hide any tab across all your trips at once. So if you don't want a particular tab showing up on your trip pages, simply switch it off here. And finally, you can drag and reorder any tab using the dotted handle on the left side of each row. Now let's go ahead and create our new tabs. Click Add Tab at the bottom of the list. A new row will appear. In the Tab Name field, type in your tab name. Next to it, you'll see an icon dropdown. You can pick an icon to display alongside the tab name on the front end, or simply leave it as is. Now let's add one more. Once you're done, click Save Settings. These two tabs are now created and will automatically appear across all your trips. Now that our tabs are created, let's go and add the content for them. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Trips and open the trip you want to edit. Inside the Trip Settings panel, scroll through the left menu and click on Custom Tabs. You'll now see the two tabs we just created. This is where you add the actual content that travelers will read when they click on each tab. Each tab has a section title field and a tab content area for the full details. Also worth noting, if you leave all the fields empty for a tab and don't add any content, that tab won't show up on the front end at all. This gives you the flexibility to skip it for trips where that information isn't relevant without having to delete or disable the tab entirely. Let's start with the More Info tab. In the section title field, type in your section title. Then in the tab content area, add your information. You can organize it into categories to make it even easier to read. Now let's click on the Visa Details tab. In the section title field, give your title. Then add your visa information in the tab content area. Once you've filled in the content for both tabs, click Save at the top right. Now let's preview the tour to see how this all looks for your travelers. You'll see all your tabs displayed in a clean row, and your two new ones, More Info and Visa Details, are right there alongside the default tabs. Click on More Info and you'll see the section title and all the content neatly laid out. Now, click on Visa Details and you'll see the full visa information with clear headings, exactly as we entered it. This is what makes your trip page feel complete and professional. Travelers get everything they need right there on the page. And that's it. Adding custom tabs in WP Travel Engine is a simple two-step process. First, create the tab names from the global trip settings, then head into your trip to add the section title and content for each one. It's a small thing that makes a big difference to how informative and professional your trip pages look. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. We're always happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.